What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for everybody who joined the channel and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like this video if you find any value in this video. So before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that I have a free Telegram group, okay, where you can get these systems. So what I want you to do for me is the only thing you have to do is make sure to hit the link in the description box, okay, to join my Telegram group where you can get these systems for free. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down the belly system. Now, some of y'all have already heard about this system and how it works. Now, this is the MT5 version, right? And I'm backtesting this strategy on Euro USD on the 15-minute time frame. So you guys need to understand that I already have these indicators on my chart, okay? And if you guys want to see how to install indicators on your computer, right, you just need to comment down below, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna add the Barixo pattern, okay? The Barixo pattern. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add it, and once I'm done with that, the next indicator I'm gonna add is my. No, I'm not gonna add that. Okay, so this is how the Barixo pattern looks like. So you guys can see that this system is based on price action. So this is candlesticks, okay, candlesticks conformations, right, formations. So you can see that where the a back cross over there, and there where a dark cloud bearish engulfing back cross. So you guys can see, okay. So what I like to do is when I use systems like this, I like to use trend lines and support and demand, okay? Support, demand. Then we're gonna add this, okay? So now you guys can see that we have the bearish on the Barixo pattern, okay? And then we have our support and demand. So you need to have both of these, okay, on the chart. And once you're done with that, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this, right? So to use this strategy, most people use it like this. For example, when they see pain, okay, so you need to understand that every time that the market moves, this support and demand repaints. So you can see that we're at the top. Now this is our resistance, support and resistance basically. And then you can see we have the Fibonacci as well, right? You can see the levels, okay? So guys, most people use it like this. That the market is at a support, either a resistance level, and they see a bearish engulfing, they're gonna sell. Okay, but I'm not using it like that because I know that you can't just use support and resistance with candlestick confirmations, because at the end of the day it won't work, right? Now let me just zoom out the chart completely, so you guys can see, right, that we currently in a downtrend. So what are we looking for? We're looking for sells, okay? But with this system, you can take buys and sells, right? So check this out. I'm just gonna show you guys how to use it. I just don't want to waste a lot of your time. Okay. So let me just take out my trend line tool, okay? I'm just gonna take out my trend line tool and draw it from this point until the top. Right? Okay. I'm looking for two touches, okay? And you guys can see that we have two touches. Let me just zoom in to this side. Okay, one touch, second touch, okay, and then wait this breakout. So once you see a breakout, then you wait for your candlestick confirmation, right? For example, that we have this bearish engulfing candle over here. Now I'm gonna enter, okay? I'm not just gonna enter off what the system is telling me, right? And for example, when the market is moving like this, okay, you guys can see that the market is moving like this. I'm gonna take my trend line as well and draw it from the top, okay, like that, okay. You guys see that? Then we two touch, three touches, and then the market decided to do a fake out. Right now, most people got caught over here because this is a fake out. Most people decided now it's time for buy. But as you guys can see, we're still at the resistance level, so it means that we're still supposed to sell until it hit the support level. Okay, so you understand what? And at this level, we buy. Okay, guys. So check this out. One touch, two touch. Now this is my third touch. Now the market decided to give me a confirmation candle. Okay, so this was my sell over here, right? Now I could have sold, okay, My stop loss would have been over here, my take profit would have been over here. So it's very simple to use this system. The only thing you have to do is you shouldn't use this system on its own. You are supposed to take advantage of trend lines and stuff like that. And for example, check this out, guys. You already know that the market was in a downtrend over here, in a small downtrend, okay? I could have taken out my trend line, right? Or draw it like this. No, that wouldn't have worked. Could have taken out my trend line, okay? Once I've seen the second touch over here, the first touch, second touch, then you can see here's a breakout. Then I could have sold over here, right? I could have sold over here. And I could have taken my take profit over here because this is the 50 level of the Fibonacci, right? So it's simple. That is how you're supposed to use this system. You can't just use the system based on what it's giving you because sometimes it's going to repaint. And if you guys want me to test the systems, right, and stuff like that before I show you guys how to use it, just drop a comment down below and also smash the like button if you found any value in this video. Thank you.